So I'm using an acrylic yarn. This is a Tunisian brand called Unifil, and you can use similar, which is Red Heart Super Saver. I'm using a smaller crochet hook than the recommended one. Usually it is 5 for 5.5, but I'm using 4 because I need my pieces to be a little hard and rigid. So I'm gonna start by making the circle. For this project I will need three circles. Three circles. Two I'm gonna join them to make the pillow, and one will be the base of the cat's cave. So I'll make slip knots or magic circle, and I'm gonna chain 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna make 6 half double crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook. So yarn over, insert the hook and pull through all. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6, and together with the chain 2 it's gonna be considered as 7. I'm gonna join at the top of the chain 2, and I'm gonna chain 2 for the 2nd round. Now I'm gonna make 2 half double crochet in each stitch, sorry. So I'm gonna obtain 14 stitches total. So this is the 1st stitch, the same as the chain 2. Insert the hook, 1 and 2. The next stitch, 1 and 2. The 3rd stitch, 1 and 2, and I'm gonna continue the same till the end of the round, and I'll show you next what to do. Here at the end of the round I'm gonna join again at the top of the initial chain 2, and this is my 2nd round. For the 3rd round, chain 2 again. So the starting will always be chain 2, 2 half double crochet in the 1st stitch, 1 and 2. Now in the next one I'm gonna make only 1 half double crochet. The purpose of this is to keep the circle flat. So I'm gonna make 2 in one stitch, 1 in the next stitch, 2, 1, 2, 1 till the end of the round. So for the 3rd round and each round in the coming rows or rounds, what I'm gonna do, like I said, chain 2, always 2 half double crochet in the 1st stitch, and I'm gonna increase the single half double crochet. That means if I start with 2, I'm gonna make 1 half double crochet in the next stitch and another one in the next stitch, and then again 2 in the following stitch. That will keep the circle flat. To understand this, you need to follow the pattern. I'll put the link in the description box. If you're not familiar on how to make a circle, I'll put the link for beginners on how to make a circle, whether single crochet or double crochet. But follow the pattern and it'll be easy to follow. So for my next row, what I'm gonna do is chain 2, 2 half double crochet in the beginning stitch, and then 1 half double crochet in the next 2 stitches, followed by 2 half double crochet in the next stitch, and I will repeat till the end of the round. For the next one, again 2 half double crochet in the beginning and 1 half double crochet in the next 3 stitches. So in this round is the next 2 stitches, the next round is the next 3 stitches, and the next one in the next 4 stitches, like so. Again, it might be confusing for some. If you follow the pattern, you will have no problem. And I'll meet you after I finish the 20 rounds. So this is what you obtain at the end of the 2 circles, 2 big flat circles. Now I'm gonna join them together. So here I left the yarn thread long for the stitching, and you'll hold both of the circles together, the front side facing out, and I'm gonna slip stitch throughout the pillow. Then don't forget to Then we'll fill the pillow with the fiber fill, and then we'll continue stitching till it is closed. It is fully closed. So I have finished here the 32nd row, sorry. And what I did is, for the next one I left around 50 rows and I put a stitch marker. What I'll do now, I'm gonna chain 1, turn my circle, and then work a single crochet in each stitch back to the stitch marker. So I'm gonna work 1 single crochet in every stitch till the stitch marker, and from the stitch marker again I'll do the same, chain 1, turn back, and single crochet in every stitch till I reach this point. So this is the opening of the cat house, and then I'm gonna do that for the next 15 rows. So for 15 rows I'm gonna work back and forth single crochet, making sure the opening, I leave the opening unworked. I'll meet you back once I've done the 15th row. So this is the final result for the cat bed. This is the base, how it looks at the end of the 15th row, and then with a pillow together, this is how all it looks. I hope you like this video and find it interesting. Let me know what you think, and until next time, take care. Bye bye.